Experts around the world have said that COVID-19 origins tracing should be science-based and not be politicized by the United States. Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in early 2020, the US has been pursuing the most convenient and economical way in finding the origins of the novel coronavirus, fabricating groundless allegations against China.
Investigating the origins and tracing the origins of the virus, which is important for us to be able to deal with future pandemics, has now been steeped in a very dangerous political, unhelpful global debate. The United States is now moving away from the science even further and creating an investigation process that involves the intelligence community. And that's really unfortunate. Well, the purpose the U.S. wants to score political points. The unfortunate politicization of this, I think we should stop playing politics with this virus. It seems like what the U.S. is determined to do is to produce a certain outcome that meets certain political goals, and also plays to the kind of rhetoric and misleading extrapolation, and refuse to pay attention to anything that was remotely scientific and even adjacent to any elements of truth.
إصرار الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية على إلصاق تهمة أن الفيروس منشأه صيني أو السبب في الصين هو جزء من الصراع السياسي أو جزء من السيطرة العالمية اللي بتحاول تفرضها الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية وهيمنتها على المجتمع الدولي.
برأيي الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية بما أنها مسيطرة على الإعلام العالمي وعلى السياسة العالمية، محتمل يكون عندها سياسة بتضعيف الصين، بما أن الصين دولة عظمى عم تقوى اقتصاديا وهي أحد ثاني اقتصاد بالعالم، فالهاجس الكبير لأمريكا هو الصين ومن بعدها روسيا، فلذلك لازم يشتتوهم ويضعفوهم ويبعدون عن بعضهم لا يضلوا السيطرة الأمريكية على العالم. هذا رأي شخصي.
Origin tracing is a scientific endeavor, scientific process, and therefore let the world researchers come together, scientific researchers come together and stand independently, work together within the scientific process with no intervention from politicians to find out the real origin of COVID-19.